Safety managers, compliance officers, HR teams. Are you spending too much time managing risk and employee compliance? Tracking safety tasks and juggling spreadsheets can feel overwhelming. And if anything slips through the cracks, the consequences are serious. Injuries, OSHA fines, even lawsuits.
Meet Ving, the all-in-one risk management platform designed to protect your people and company profits. Ving streamlines your process with intuitive tools that keep you organized, so you can spot risks and take proactive action.
Imagine every training, inspection, and deadline tracked on one clear dashboard. No more blind spots.
With over 2,000 training courses and 200+ Toolbox Talks ready to use, Ving empowers you to deliver the right training at the right time. Plus, use Ving for equipment and job site inspections, managing certifications, and sending timely alerts about critical safety notices.
Ving saves you time and headaches by automating compliance. Stop chasing updates and missing key compliance tasks. Ving sends reminders and tracks completions for you. That means peace of mind and countless hours saved, as nothing falls through the cracks on Ving's watch.
It's time to replace compliance chaos with confidence and control. Keep employees safe, productive, and in the know. It's time to get your Ving on.